Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to make garlic mayonnaise at home. It's a very simple and easy recipe. You must try it. The first thing that I would need is lemon juice. I have taken the juice of one medium-sized lemon. You can see while you're making it if you need more or less. I have taken 3 medium-sized garlic cloves, little bit of salt just to taste, and also freshly ground black pepper. Because I'm making more mayonnaise today, so I'm taking 2 eggs. Otherwise you can take 1 egg and 1 glass of oil. So 2 glasses of oil, it's 2 cups of oil basically, and 2 eggs, lemon, salt, freshly ground black pepper, and garlic. So the tip that you need to keep in mind is that you have to take the jar and the mixer to be, it should be very dry. There should not be any drop of water if you don't want your mayonnaise to go bad or rotten, because sometimes when you are using the jug and the machine and there is little bit of water, even 1 drop of water, then what happens that the taste of mayonnaise after half an hour it becomes very bad. It becomes smelly. It doesn't keep well in the fridge as well. So this mayonnaise, if you will put them in the fridge for 2 weeks or over 2 weeks, it will still taste very good and it will not go bad. So first of all, I've added in the jug eggs, 2 eggs. I had beaten them well, and then I am now adding oil and everything, of course, gradually. Black pepper, salt, a little bit of lemon juice, and I shall again, while I'm blending it, I shall again add these things, oil and lemon. I shall alternate them until I get the required consistency. So now I am just beating these ingredients, and this step is basically called emulsifying. So you can beat them, alternate oil and lemon, and then keep beating them with this movement. You have to move it up almost. See the beater, you can see the consistency, it's becoming thicker. And now I'm going to alternate lemon and lemon juice and oil. So keep beating it in this way until you get your required consistency. I do not make it very thick, because when you keep it in the fridge then it becomes very rubbery or very thick. So I will just keep it the normal runny consistency. So you can see this one is ready almost. Because the jug is moving so much, so I'm going to put a stopper under it. This is rubber stopper. It's specially provided with these kinds of blenders. So I'm going to put the stopper so I can blend it very well without the movement of jug. You can also keep a wet towel under it if you do not have the stopper. Okay, so I shall continue the process with the lemon juice and oil, and I shall beat it well for maybe at least 1 minute now, because it's almost ready. You can see the movement I'm making in it because it needs to emulsify, so I need to move the hand of blender. Okay, so this is the consistency that I was looking for. So it's ready now. I shall check the salt. So it's perfect. And at this point you can add more seasoning, and you can check it before you end the process. So it's almost done. You can use a spatula to clean the blender hand so that nothing goes to waste. I shall now take it out in the container to show you the final product. So this is the container, and I have made sure that there is no drop of water in it. Also, it's completely dry, washed and dried. And now I'm going to take out the mayonnaise in this container. This is glass container, of course, airtight glass container. You can keep it in anything, but keep it covered. If you are making more mayonnaise, you can use them in the breakfast, in the burgers, in any recipe. These are freshly made garlic mayonnaise, and it's really, there is no match for this when you bring the industrial formula that maybe you like. This taste will not let you buy any more mayonnaise from the market. You will definitely make mayonnaise at home every time. So this is ready, and I hope you will try this recipe, and you will let me know in the comments below that how it turned out. If you want to know any tips and tricks for best mayonnaise at home, you can let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks.